So welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for choosing to click on today's video. You guys are amazing and I appreciate every single one of you that spends just a few minutes of your day with me. Like, it means the world to me, so thank you so much. Welcome if you are brand new. My name is Simran and I like to make videos on various different topics, whether it be travel, hauls, reviews, luxuries, unboxings, chit chat. If that's something you're into, please consider subscribing because that would mean the world to me. So without further ado, let's start with today's video, because today's video is actually really exciting for me and hopefully for you too. That's why you clicked on today's video. I'm actually going to be revealing a purchase that I actually purchased last year. However, I didn't get around to actually unboxing it with you guys, so I'm going to actually show you the item and how it came boxed, and also give you a bit of a review at the same time, because obviously I've had some time to wear it. Right, so as you already gathered from the title, I'm actually going to be revealing my new Saint Laurent beige, dark beige clutch with you guys today. Like I said, I have actually had this item for a while now, so it's kind of like an unboxing, but it's also going to be a quick review for you guys, and actually what I've done to actually turn this clutch into a handbag as well. So the box arrived like this. I ordered it from Farfetch. I'm actually going to have the date as well in there for you guys, so bear with me. So you receive obviously the clutch like so. It actually tells you what the item is on the side there as well. So I'm just going to take the clutch out. Within the box, I received, obviously, you also do receive obviously your receipt, fetch, the price, then I'll link below for you guys. But yeah, so that's the receipt from Farfetch, and I will link it below. I'm still thinking Farfetch still does actually have this. Also, I received the authenticity card that you get, which I've not even opened because I've got so many of these now. So yeah, so that was your authenticity card, the receipt, just in case if I wanted to return it. However, I didn't. And obviously the official Saint Laurent box, which I was so happy about because I love receiving the actual box rather than not having the box, you know what I mean? So now comes the fun part. So obviously in the Saint Laurent dust bag itself, she's still so beautiful, and here she is. So this is the YSL clutch bag itself. I'm actually going to link the actual clutch itself within the description box for you guys, so if anyone's interested in purchasing this. But it's just so beautiful. I am obsessed with this color. I know I did order the beige clutch last time as well, but I returned that because I prefer the actual finish on this. I think it's a lot more classy. It's just beautiful, guys. So it's got your hand strap, that obviously where you can wear the bag like so. The inside, you've got the Saint Laurent tag stamp, sorry, not tag, on the inside. You've got one huge pocket in the inside, and then you've got another pocket that is right here, which is amazing. So I'm obsessed. I feel like it's like the best purchase ever. I love it. So do you guys remember last time when I unboxed the cream YSL wallet on chain with you guys? So I have it here. And then with this, you also, obviously I had the official chain. So I had this and I love this and I've used it so much. And that was the reason why I decided to purchase the clutch. However, this came with a chain, which was detachable. And then I came up with an idea that's already all over like the internet, like it's all over YouTube, but I thought I'll share it with you guys as well. So what I did was I went onto Amazon and I actually ordered, which I will link below. It's like felt, and I kind of made it into like a little wallet. So I've taken the YSL chain from the official bag and I kind of made it like two little pockets like this. So it's like a square. I've sewn it together, and then I've made like two loopholes on the top, and then I've threaded through this bag's gold chain through here. So it did this. So this is the official YSL gold chain. It's not one that I bought off the internet because I didn't really feel like I needed to buy another one, even though Dress Up Hers has some amazing additional straps. But you know, this gold is just something else, isn't it? The YSL gold is just amazing. So anyways, and then what I did was with this clutch here, you open up like so. In the little bag pocket that I showed you guys there, what I've done is I've inserted this in like this, guys. bear with me. So you literally just insert it into the back pocket. You take, so can you see I've inserted it into that back pocket there? You take the straps out like this. This I'm going to take off. I've just kept it on there because it was in the box. And there you go, guys. You've got your very own YSL bag. From a clutch to a bag, guys. I mean, and that's saving me, I think it's probably like, I'm gonna give you a price difference, but I think it's at least £900 worth of price difference. And I've got literally 2 bags now for the price of one. And the best thing is, because I already had the YSL chain, it looks even more like it matches so well with the actual clutch itself, which is amazing. I'm obsessed. So yeah, that was my mini little unboxing reveal. I have loved using this bag so far. I've used it in India. It is obviously more of an evening bag, but I feel like it's also like, you can make it into a day bag. It's just, you know, if you want to feel a little bit extra or a little bit glamorous, or if you're wearing like a basic outfit and you want to uplift the outfit and you want the outfit to look better, why not use this? Why not? Right? I mean, YSL is beautiful. I am obsessed with YSL. I'll link all the other like unboxings that I've done with YSL in the description box below for you guys, with all the links of the items that I've purchased. But I just love YSL as a brand. I think it's beautiful. So that was my mini unboxing reveal with you guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment in the comment box below, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.